The physical security of your crypto wallet is just as critical as its digital defenses. Today, we're diving into the ELLIPAL Titan, specifically focusing on its durability. Is this metal-sealed device as tough as it looks? The Titan is often called the world's first fully metal-sealed, air-gapped cold storage wallet. It's built with an aluminum alloy unibody casing. This isn't just for looks, it's a core security feature. A fully sealed metal shell means no physical ports, no USB, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. It communicates exclusively via QR codes, making it completely air-gapped from online threats. This construction makes the Titan inherently resilient. It's designed to be crush and impact resistant. You've got a robust, solid piece of hardware that feels substantial in your hand, much like a ruggedized smartphone. But the real test is in the anti-tamper design. ELLIPAL has engineered the Titan so that any attempt to forcibly open the metal case triggers an automatic self-destruct mechanism. If the device detects unauthorized prying or disassembly, it immediately deletes all stored private keys and data. This makes physical attacks incredibly difficult to succeed at. A successful breach renders the device unusable and wipes your keys, protecting your assets even if the physical wallet is stolen. You'd simply recover your funds using your backup seed phrase on a new device. Beyond deliberate attacks, what about everyday durability? The Titan holds an IP65 rating. The IP stands for ingress protection. The 6 means it's fully protected against dust. The 5 means it's resistant to water jets and splashes from any direction. You shouldn't submerge it, but accidental spills or rain shouldn't be a problem. This sealed construction protects the sensitive internal components from environmental factors like dust and moisture. The ELLIPAL Titan is clearly designed for users who prioritize maximum physical and digital security. Its fully sealed metal construction and tamper-proof self-destruct mechanism place it at the high end of hardware wallet durability. It's not indestructible, no device is, but it's built to withstand a serious amount of abuse, both accidental and intentional, before your private keys are compromised. The durability is a fundamental layer of its overall security architecture.